I think from our point of view, the endeavor should be to focus on our own economic growth and development. Well, I think he's not wrong, because what we are seeing really is a weakening of global governance. Those institutions that were created post Second World War, like the United Nations, the Bretton Woods institutions, worked well for a certain period of time. But from the turn of the century, we have seen that they have not been able to perform to expectations, and they've not been able to live up to the requirements of the 21st century. In other words, the current realities. I think many of these institutions and organizations haven't really made the necessary adjustments that reflect a changed reality in the world. There are, I think, far more demands on organizations like the UN, whether it's the SDGs, whether it is in terms of climate change, whether it is in terms of managing conflicts, global conflicts or regional conflicts, or on the Bretton Woods institutions to ensure a general macroeconomic stability, to ensure that small vulnerable economies don't go under. And I think in most of these tasks we have seen a very dismal rate of performance. The SDGs have only performed up to, I think, about 19%, even though we have crossed the 50% mark in terms of the timelines for implementation of the SDGs. We have seen that 60% of the global south, the developing world, is either indebted or in danger of indebtedness. We've also seen that global warming is a reality, and that the efforts to counter, mitigate, and adapt to global warming haven't been commensurate to the sort of threat it poses to mankind and our entire planet. So, in from that point of view, I think we have a sort of a crisis of global governance that is giving way to what I think Gordon Brown referred to as a power-based order, as opposed to a rules-based order. And it's for the global community to set the rules, and to make sure that those rules are implementable, and that they reflect the current realities of the situation. So I think this is a concern.